Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the Google account on Xiaomi Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the other Xiaomi and Redmi phones. And to remove the Google account on this phone, you need to go to settings and here just swipe and go to additional settings, swipe again. And here we have accounts and synchronize. Tap on it and here are the accounts on this phone. Now to remove the Google account, tap on it. Here is my Google account. Now tap here in the bottom where you see more and we have here remove account. Just tap on it and removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from this phone. Now just tap remove account and again OK, verify that's you, and that's all. You don't have anymore the Google account on your phone. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.